Greetings from Monarch Networth Capital Limited. I am Jignesh Pandya, Senior Research Analyst from Equity Research Team. Market was highly volatile for the week gone by. On Monday, Nifty had a strong start and moved above 17,600 level. However, it failed to gain and showed a downside reversal for the later part of the week. On Friday, index breached 17,000 level with high volumes, adding a distribution day for the index. The broader market were also weak and many stocks took technical damage. On a weekly basis, barring Nifty IT, which closed with 1.9% gain, all sectors closed lower. Nifty PSU Bank and Realty were down around 8% each. FII were net sellers during the week as they sold equities worth 10,452 crore, while DII were net buyers during the week as they bought equities worth 6,341 crore in cash segment. Globally, equity markets closed lower during the week as US market closed with 1.7% cut and European market closed with 0.6% cut. Weekly technical outlook on Nifty. Benchmark index traded on a negative note during the last week and closed with bearish candlestick formation, engulfing previous two weekly candles. Global cues are likely to influence Indian equities. Nifty has crucial support around 16,800 level. Sustenance below this level can trigger further fall up to 16,500 to 16,200 levels. For the coming week, benchmark index has support at 16,800 followed by 16,200 level and resistance at 17,000 followed by 17,300 level. Weekly technical outlook on Bank Nifty. Banking index traded volatile and closed on a negative note, forming bearish engulfing candlestick formation. Similar to Nifty, banking index is near to its crucial immediate support level around 35,300 level. If it sustains below this level, then we may see further fall till 34,500 to 34,400 levels. For the coming week, banking index has support at 34,400 followed by 33,500 level and resistance at 35,200 followed by 36,000 level. We are sure that this brief analysis will help you in taking an investment decision. Thank you for your patient hearing. Happy investing.